Okay, in this part of the lesson, we're going to be working with now finding the area of a semicircle. So just as a review, a semicircle is half of a circle. In order to find that, we are going to find the area as if we have a whole circle, and then we're going to divide that by 2. So review really quick, our formula for finding the area of a circle is pi times radius squared, and then we're going to divide that by 2. So remember, we need the radius, not the diameter. So here they're asking us to find the area of that orchestra pit. They're telling us the diameter of the stage between those 2 points, or the edges of the orchestra pit, are 30 feet, which means we need the radius, which is 15 feet. Okay, so I'm going to substitute that 15 in where I have my radius. So my area equals pi, which is, I'm going to write 3.14. Times 15 squared, and then we're going to divide that by 2. And no, squared and divide by 2 are not opposites. You have to do the 15 squared times the 3.14, then divide it by 2. Okay, so 15 squared is 225. So I'm going to take 3.14 times 225. And then I'm going to divide that answer by 2. And when I do that, I get 353.25. My units were feet, so it's going to be feet squared for my final part of the answer. Okay, so let's try another one of those. Okay, remember in semicircles, only half of a circle, so that's why we're doing our divide by 2. And we have to remember when doing area, we're using the radius, not the diameter. So here they're giving us the diameter. We want the radius. So if the diameter is 2 feet, the radius would be 1. So we're not going to use that. So we're going to substitute in area equals 3.14 for pi times my radius is 1 squared divided by 2. Okay, 1 squared, 1 times 1 is still 1. Times 3.14 is 3.14. So we're going to take 3.14 divided by 2, and that gives us 1.57. So my area is 1.57. Units were feet squared. Okay, so I'm going to slide one out here for you. I want you guys to try it. And then, so you'll pause your video, go ahead and try this one, and then check your answer in just a minute. So go ahead, pause your video, solve the area of this one, and then restart your video to check your answer. Okay, you should have ended up with an area of 14.13 meters squared, remembering that our radius was 3 and then squaring that. Okay, so remember when you're working for finding the area of a semicircle, you're going to use your pi times radius squared, but we're going to divide by 2 in the end because it's only half of a circle.